And this is the San Stefan Cathedral. It's a very big cathedral here. Today is a very cloudy day, and even with the clouds, it's warm.
Yeah.
It feels hot.
Yeah. Absolutely, in the afternoon it will be raining.
Yeah, absolutely.
I think.
Did you go in?
Sorry?
Did you go in this
You
church?
should buy tickets.
Ah, I got it. Yeah.
On the blah blah blah.
Uh-huh.
Sebastian, go to the seaside. Oh my god. I've been there 5 times last year.
And how many days of vacation Polish people have per year normally?
26 days every year.
Plus holidays, national holidays.
National holidays.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. That you should include your home office. Sometimes, because for instance in my company we practice for a short time to work in 4 days and half, not 5 days every week.
Yeah.
And to observe our engagement. So for instance, I finish my work on Friday at 1 or 2 p.m. and that's all.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah.
And you have to inform in a system when you start working and when you finish? Ah, I see.
By computer.
They keep record of your...
Right, of course.
Yeah.
For instance, because for instance when you are a guy, and you are a single, you have much more time than others who has some children.
Yes, yes. I thought Budapest would be a big city, but actually it turns out to be a small city. At least for me. I'm used to Sao Paulo. It was very easy to walk past. On the other side of the river we have Pest city, and this side where am I? There is Buda. And now both cities are only one city, Budapest. This bridge is under maintenance, so I had to walk all that way and cross on that bridge there, and then walk again all the way here and climb up here. Where am I right now? So I'm in the castle of Budapest. It's a very beautiful place. Wow. Different is another culture, different alphabet. Right. So for me it's something that calls my attention. Right. And at the same time it's not Asian, it's not European, but it's like in the middle.
Yeah, totally Eastern Europe.
Yes.
But a little bit strange.
Exactly.
And wild.
Yes.
Yeah, and wild.
And I like it. Yes, yeah. I like it. Yeah. I find it interesting. Yeah. Interesting. This bridge remembers the London Bridge, right? A little bit.
I've never been in London. Can you imagine?
I can. I went there in 2012.
Right.
I think.
So during the COVID?
No, 2012.
2012.
Yes, 11 years ago.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah. I lived in Spain at that time. I was a child. But traveling nowadays is much better because at that time I didn't have cell phone, I didn't have money.
Right.
I was a student.
Difficult to get out.
Oh, really?
Really? But then go to the hostel for a break. Yeah, and maybe take a nap.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah. I'm curious whether are there any guests in my room, because when I go out I've got me and two men. I noticed they closed and that's all.
Probably this afternoon another people will arrive. Yes.
Right, but you know, it's Monday, so on Mondays maybe.
Yeah. Even in my room there are available beds, so probably some people will enter today.
How many beds?
8.
8.
Yes, 8 beds.
I've got 10.
10?
Not 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10.
Yeah. And it's summer break, so probably people will go in today.
Right.
How many steps did you give today?
28.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Aber es ist nicht so gut.
How many people are there in your company? How many employees? I believe a lot.
Yeah. In Poland? In Poland we've got 6,000
Wow.
people on contract.
Yes.
Because at the same time we've got some drivers with parcels, and they are now our employees.
I see.
They've got contracts, subcontracts with others.
I got it. And in your office, how many people in your office?
35.
Ah, okay.
Because I work in HR business partner department, and I am only one man. Horrible. Women talking a lot and see the problem. Oh my God!
Oh.
Yeah. And we've got something like payroll, salary, and trainings. So, in my opinion, it's a big department. Yeah. In Poland, only in Poland, 35 people.
Yeah, it's big because my whole company in Brazil, everybody from the cleaning lady to the president, we only have 40 people.
40?
Yeah, only 40. Yes. So my company is a very small company in Brazil.
Right. But I don't work in one place. I've got one office.
Yes.
And I've got 2 districts when I should go there sometimes to visit. Yeah. So sometimes I've got to the one point to another 100 kilometers. But fortunately by highway, so it's easier.
And are you a boss or something like that?
No,
No?
no, not at the moment. Fine, thanks God.
You don't want to be a boss?
I was in the past, and at the moment, okay, my position is a managerial position because in my company I've got the grade the same as another managers, but I don't have subordinators.
Yes.
It's a rather specialist in HR. For instance, when we can reduce some people, on when we to recruit some people, they have some accept of my.
I see.
Yeah. So it's rather regional HR partners.
I got it. Yeah.
So sometimes there are many problems. For instance, okay, I've got a problem with my worker. Could you help me, Sebastian? Yeah. And we talk. Or I try to provide many issues. Reflecting Polish labor law. It's very important because sometimes manager said to me, okay, I can hire him, I don't like him, and I will not work with him. And when we talk about it, there is a weakness of managerial abilities, not of this worker. So,
yeah, I got it.
but in my opinion, this is a work for me for 2 or 3 years. And probably then, when I will be older, maybe I will do it something really strange. I'm not sure what is it, but probably I try to change maybe everything. Yeah.
Well, what do you think about opening your own business or maybe working in another company?
Right, or maybe to go to another country. Or to totally change my profession. For instance, I like gardening, and maybe I will occupy with this area. I'm not sure.
That's great.
I'm waiting for an impulse, and I believe it.
You are waiting for?
In Buddhism, there is a sentence where schoolboy is ready, your teacher will be soon. Okay. So in my opinion, when I will be ready, I should be open to live with myself. I will change something, to meet something, or to do totally different from this. You know what I mean?
I do. Hi, how are you? I think we met yesterday, or no?
Where?
In the hostel next thing?
No,
I don't think so.
No,
I'm confused with another place.
No worries, I can.
Yeah, sorry.
Have a nice day.
You too. That was funny. Maybe downstairs?
Yeah.
Baron, I met you. It's recorded. Maybe it will go to YouTube. Maybe.
Right.
I was like looking. I think this is the Russian.
But he wasn't Russian.
No, this one no. Yeah. This one no. This one looked like English.
English, yeah, I suppose.
What did you think when I asked him?
For me, it's a normal situation. When you are polite, you ask, okay, I'm sorry, thanks.
Yes. Then I said, oh, sorry. It was funny. I met you yesterday. You owe me money. Give me.
Yeah.
And
Ja, myślałam, że...
it's in this street. Sometimes Hungary reminds me a little bit of Turkey. Turkey. They have a little bit of Turkish culture.
Yes.
You know? I don't know why.
Yeah.
They have a strong culture, strong language.
Right. Very similar appearance.
Yes. Yes.
Synagogue, right?
Are you hungry?
Yes.
Ah, nice.
And you?
Not so much, but
I'm hungry, but not.
I need something.
Yeah. It's a rather summer time.
Or it's here.